Wet and windy conditions are expected in Atlantic Canada this afternoon and into Thursday, both ahead and behind the cold front. Some southerly winds gusting potentially up to 50 kilometers across the Maritimes, especially those coastal regions. And that's where we're talking about the heavier rain this afternoon. Southern shores of New Brunswick, St. John, all the way to Charlottetown. Some of that heavier shower activity rolling in just after the lunch hour. That'll continue into the evening. St. John and Moncton, you'll see that rain taper off just after the dinner hour. Charlottetown, you're going to hang on to those showers, maybe even some decent downpours, probably until around midnight. Jumping further south over to Nova Scotia, specifically Halifax, you're going to see some showers and storms popping up in and around the area by mid-afternoon. These will be scattered, but then the more steady rain, that's going to roll in just around the dinner hour, maybe 6-7 p.m., and that's going to continue into the overnight hours, just gradually tapering off by the early morning hours on Thursday. In addition to rain, there is the risk for a couple rumbles of thunder in those areas in yellow. And across Newfoundland, you'll be relatively dry. That rain will move into your region for Thursday. General amounts talking about maybe even 30 to 50 millimeters around those Burgeo shores, and then 10 to 20 across the Maritimes.